part 2 of my video on a composting method that I've developed over the past 3 or 4 years. Sorry, I'm having some trouble with the lighting here. Let's see if that helps any. I don't know. Anyways, part 2, I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. Hi, it is actually the next day after all of that filming from yesterday when I did all the composting here. I didn't get to cover it yesterday before it got dark, and so it's kind of gotten dried out this morning, the surface layer of this compost pile number 12. So I'm just going to spray it down with the water hose here, and also the spot where the compost pile initially was that I flipped it from yesterday. I'm going to water all that down again so that I can take all this dry leaves right here and rake them on top of this blank spot where the grass is starting to be killed from the compost pile being on top of it. So just wanted to mention that, and I am going to have to rake up some more leaves today, but it's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Slightly windy, but it's not cold at all, so I'm very happy for that. Nice day to do some raking. Guess what, folks? I just found another dead mouse. It was out in the middle of my backyard, right next to an ant pile, and the ants weren't even getting it. And it seems like it's pretty fresh kill from one of our cats. So what would you have me do with this dead mouse? Well, I want to make good use of its mineral-rich little lifeless body. What better use can you make of a dead mouse, or practically anything that's dead, besides or other than putting it in your compost pile? So I add that little guy in, and his little life, his little body will not go to waste. It will serve a very valuable purpose in helping to enrich our compost and therefore enrich our garden beds, and therefore strengthen plants with high nutrient density that you just can't get from chemical fertilizers. No siree, Bob. That is quality composting material right there. When this pile gets up to probably 150, maybe 160 degrees, that little mouse body won't last a week in there. It will be completely broken down. No residue detectable whatsoever. So that is the awesome power of composting. by the fence, getting this load of leaves for the compost pile from yesterday. Almost got it there now. I'm gonna put these fence posts down. Alright, I got you. Over the fence we go. Past the garden bed. A little plot of carrots. Past the kale. The broccoli. Compost pile number 11. And here we are, compost pile number 12. After I sprinkle it down. I'll cover the compost with them because they don't break down if they're dry. They just sit there for a very long time with very little degradation. But the wet compost underneath breaks down much better when you've got a nice cover over them. So that should be good enough. Hopefully I got enough leaves on this one load to dry or to cover this compost completely. Appreciate all your time and attention, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.